Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We meet again in my channel Pandu Prasojo. And now, in this moment, I will present about element, compounds, and mixtures. Okay. In this section, I have three kind metals. And the first, copper, clay, and salt. So, from my matter in this moment, where is the element, compound, or mixtures? Before we answer this question, I will present about atom. What is atom? Every matter in the world have or contain with many atoms. It's similar. Every atom have a nucleon in center of atom and electron. In nucleon, there is a proton and neutron. Electron negative, proton positive, and neutron is neutral. Electron who run in around the center of atom, around the nucleon, the speed of travel electron is very fast, is 2,200 km per second. So in this moment, I will show what is atom and what is molecule. Atom is single, but the molecule not single, is more than one atom. In this picture, 2O can make molecule oxygen, and 2H or 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen can make molecule water. So, if atom receive or donation the electron, it will be ion. There is two kind of ion. The first, cation and anion. Cation is the positive ion and anion is negative ion. And ionic compound is compound from the ion. That is, I have a natrium ion positive and chlorine ion negative. So if there is combinate, it will be like this: natrium, chlorine, it will be natrium chloride. Elements are single substance that cannot be broken down into simpler substance with ordinary chemical reactions. The example of elements is manganese, magnesium, titanium, potassium, and boron. Elements have rule to write the name by one word and two words. The example of one word: N for nitrogen, K for potassium, Br for brom, and Br for barium, two words. Metal and non-metal. The difference of metal and non-metal element is metal have a tendency to donate electron, but non-metal have a tendency to receive electron. In metal, displace hydrogen gas from dilute acid, but non-metal don't displace hydrogen gas from dilute acids. In metal, react with oxygen to produce basic oxides. Element non-metal react with oxygen to produce acidic oxides. Metal element react with hydrogen to produce hydrides. Non-metal element react with hydrogen to produce covalent compound. Form of matter is liquid, solid, and gas. The example of liquid is brom. The example of solid is aluminum, and the example of gas is helium. Compound are substances that are formed from element through a chemical reaction, and the compound produced have properties that are different from the constituent element, like water, limestone, and salt. Water is from hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen is gas, oxygen is gas, but water is liquid. Mixture have the characteristic: 1. The mixture can be separated into its constituent component by separation technique. 2. Element or compound in the mixture can be mixed in various compositions. 3. When the mixture is formed, no heat or light is released or received. 4. The mixture has the properties of the substance that make it up. The kind of mixture is solution, colloid, suspensio, and emulsion. So we get summary. Matter is have two kinds. It's a pure substance and mixture. The pure substance is element and compound. The mixture is homogeneous and heterogeneous. Heterogeneous mixture is suspensio, colloid, and emulsio, and homogeneous mixture is solution. Okay, now we can answer the problem. The first, what is copper, dye, and salt? Copper is element, and salt is compound. style is mixture. Okay, now we have quiz. I have aluminum, argon, potassium, calcium, carbon, and the symbol K, Cr, C, Rr, and Rl. You must pair aluminum, argon, and where is the symbol? Okay, aluminum is Al, argon is Ar, potassium is K, calcium is Cr, carbon is C. Okay, the last quiz is name of sodium plus chlorine, magnesium plus oxygen, iron plus oxygen, iron plus sulfur, and copper plus chlorine. The name is sodium plus chlorine, sodium chloride. Magnesium plus chlorine, oxygen is magnesium oxide. Iron plus oxygen, iron oxide. Iron plus sulfur, iron sulfuride. And copper plus chlorine is copper chloride. Okay, I think enough. Thanks for your attention. I say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.